Hello everyone, welcome back to this sewing channel, and today we are going to make another easy sewing project as usual. I will show you step by step how can we make this lovely knitting case. So it is like a box case. This project is very quick to make and you can make several in a day, so you on yourselves, it's worth it. So I made it for the purpose to keep the knitting needles in, but you can use it like a pencil case. If you liked this project, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's somewhere here, and stay with us until the end of the video, and let's go started. To make our Paula's box knitting case, we are going to need the pattern. I will leave the link on the description below. You just need to download it. But if you don't have a printer, I will leave all the measurements so you can make your own pattern at home. We are going to need 2 squares of fabric, one for the linning fabric, another one for main fabric, and some light interfacing, a zipper measuring 26 centimeters, a zipper head, and 2 pieces of fabric measuring 6 centimeters per 7 centimeters. I just folded in half and another half. We are going to need both, and that's all. So let's start it. First of all, you just need to draw our pattern into your fabric. After that, we just need to fix our interfacing in our main fabric. We're just going to sew it all around. Now we fixed our interfacing into our main fabric. Now we are going to get our zipper and we are going to open, and with the front of the zipper facing down the fabric, we are going to sew it here and both of sides, and after that we are going to fix our linning fabric as well. Now our zipper is fixed. Now we are going to put our linning fabric facing up and our main body facing down, and we are going to make 2 sutures right here. And you can use these sutures here as a guide. Now let's turn it over. Now we are going to top stitch both of sides, and after that we are going to make a suture all around to fix our linen fabric into our main fabric. After that, with these little pieces, I'm going to top stitch both sides as well. Our linning fabric is now fixed into our main fabric. So now we are going to fold this in half, and we are going to find the middle here, and we are just going to make a suture here, and it's going to be like this side. Now we are going to apply our zipper head. So we are going to fold this in half, make sure all the edges are aligned. Normally I cut a little bit of the teeth. So let's pull it out, and now let's do it again. Be careful to not open our zip. We are going to turn our piece backwards. Now we are going to align all the edges, and we are going to make a suture here. Now with some bias tape, we are going to apply it here to make a good finish. This, turn here, and turn here, and now let's fold and let's make a suture here. Now you just need to open this here, match the edges, and make a suture here and apply the bias tape here as well on the 4 corners, and I will show you all the results. Our knitting case is all done now. In the interior, the finishing, as I told you, is stay like this. It's beautiful inside as well. So if you like this kind of project, don't forget to subscribe the channel, turn the notifications on to be notified for the next easy sewing video. Bye!